There's another element in our lives that we don't think much about, and that's the element of faith.
I have failed far more times than I've succeeded, far more. You will never succeed more than you fail. That's not how it works.
When people talk about self-reliance, they think of tools, food storage, or off-grid living. But real self-reliance isn't just about what you can grow, build, or stockpile. It's about what you can endure and what you believe when everything else fails. 1. Faith as the first prep. Every true prepper knows the first step isn't building a bunker, it's building faith. Because when the storm hits, when crops fail, when plans fall apart, faith becomes your anchor. You can't store enough food to replace peace of mind, and you can't buy courage when the world feels uncertain. Faith keeps you steady when fear tells you to quit. It's what separates survival from living. 2. Farming, the teacher of humility. Farming teaches patience and humility. You plant, water, and wait. But the harvest isn't always yours to control. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, you lose crops, animals, or seasons. That's not failure, that's learning. Because self-reliance means you take the hits, learn from them, and try again. Real farmers and homesteaders know that resilience is built one mistake at a time. 3rd failure, the refining fire. Failure is part of the journey. Maybe you lost a season's crop, a business, or even hope. But the greatest homesteaders, preppers, and believers all share one truth. They failed forward. Every setback reveals a weakness to strengthen, a lesson to live by. Faith without struggle is theory. Faith tested by failure is strength. So, what's the true meaning of self-reliance? It's walking by faith while working with your hands. It's being ready for the storm, not just with supplies, but with spirit. If you believe true preparedness begins within, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Tell me in the comments, what's one failure that taught you to rely on faith, not fear? Stay grounded, stay faithful, stay prepared.